So we sold our rental property the other day. So finally, after 8 years with this makeshift kitchen, we're going to have the money to have a new kitchen installed. And I'm going to pay to have it installed rather than me do the install, which will save a lot of time. So the new kitchen, you can see that old vent is, it's not being used. That's going to come out. That soffit's coming out. The cabinets will go to the ceiling. It'll be about the same layout as what you see there, refrigerator where it's at. A taller pantry on the right of the refrigerator. And then this makeshift island we've had for the past 8 years, that's going away, but there'll be another island in its place. So we're going to have a 6-burner cooktop, a lot more storage, and then of course we're putting in more cabinetry in the back room. And then we'll do granite countertops. I'm going to tile this backsplash myself. We'll do granite countertops here, and also back where the oven's is going to be in the back room there. So I'm going to demo I'm going to save some money. I'm going to demo these cabinets. That's not too hard. And I think I'll take the doors off and donate them to one of these restoration places. But the rest of the cabinets, you can't get them out of there without tearing them up. So I'll be taking those out.